Hello friends, this is Prateek Vyas from 91 Mobiles and today I'm going to show you the OnePlus 9. And as you can see, the phone looks really nice. So we'll start with the design, and on the front you get 6.55-inch Fluid AMOLED display which supports 120 Hz of screen refresh rate. So as you can see, the touch response is really nice and you will not face any kind of issue in the display in all the lighting conditions. The brightness levels are good, so if you use indoor or outdoor, definitely you will get good results. And on the right spine you get this alert slider and power button. On the left spine, the volume rocker you can see. On top there is nothing except the secondary microphone, and at the bottom of the phone you can see the SIM tray, the USB Type-C port and speaker grill. At the back the camera module is there and the OnePlus branding is also there. It comes with this glossy matte finish. So now let's talk about the internal. So it comes with Snapdragon 888 processor, which is very latest and greatest from Snapdragon house, and it is a very powerful processor. So whatever task you will perform, definitely you will get pretty smooth performance. And for the multitasking you get 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM. It totally depends which options you are going to use. And for camera, it has 48, 50 and 2 megapixel of camera, so that is there. And also at the front you get 16 megapixel of front camera. For the battery you get 4500 mAh of battery which supports 65 watts of fast charging, and definitely you will get a good battery backup. Android 11 is also there with Oxygen OS. So 6.55-inch Fluid AMOLED display, Snapdragon 888 processor, 50, 48 and 2 megapixel camera, 12 GB, 8 GB of RAM. So no doubt, definitely it's a good buy in this price range. Thanks for watching.